When exploring programming, you'll often hear about data types like strings, integers, and Booleans. But what exactly are they, and why are they important? In this video, we're going to break it all down for you. Stick around to learn about the different data types in programming and how they help you create powerful software. Let's first see what data types are and why are they so important. Data types are fundamental classifications of data that dictate what kind of value a variable can hold and what operations can be performed on that data. Common data types include integers, floating point numbers, strings, Booleans, chars, and others. They are crucial in programming because they help ensure that data is used correctly and efficiently. By defining data types, programmers can avoid errors, optimize memory usage, and enhance code readability and maintainability. Understanding data types is essential for writing robust and effective software as they form the basis for all data manipulation and storage in a program. Let's explore each of them individually. We'll start with integers. Integers are a fundamental data type in programming that represent whole numbers without any fractional or decimal component. They can be positive, negative, or zero. Integers are commonly used for counting, indexing, and performing arithmetic operations. Due to their simplicity and efficiency, they are often utilized in loops, conditional statements, and mathematical calculations. Understanding how to work with integers is crucial for managing discrete values and optimizing performance in various programming tasks. Next, we have floating point numbers. Floating point numbers are a crucial data type in programming used to represent real numbers that have fractional or decimal components. They are essential for calculations requiring precision and are commonly used in scientific computations, financial applications, and any situation where a high degree of accuracy is necessary. Floating point numbers can handle a vast range of values, both very large and very small, making them versatile for various computational tasks. However, due to their complexity, they can sometimes introduce precision errors, so understanding their behavior and limitations is key for effective use in programming. Now let's look at strings. Strings are a basic data type in programming used to represent sequences of characters such as words, sentences, or any text-based data. They are essential for handling and manipulating text, enabling tasks like user input, displaying messages, and storing textual information. Strings can include letters, numbers, symbols, and spaces, making them versatile for various applications. Operations on strings include concatenation, slicing, searching, and formatting, allowing programmers to process and manage text effectively. Understanding how to work with strings is necessary for developing software that interacts with users and processes textual data. Up next, we have Booleans. Booleans are another basic data type in programming that represent two values, true and false. They are essential for controlling the flow of programs through conditional statements and loops. Booleans are commonly used in decision-making processes, allowing programs to execute specific code blocks based on logical conditions. For example, they can determine whether a user is logged in, if an input is valid, or if a certain condition is met within an algorithm. Understanding and using Booleans effectively is key for writing clear, concise, and efficient code that behaves correctly under different conditions. And lastly, let's take a look at chars. Chars, short for characters, are a basic data type used to represent single letters, digits, or symbols. Each char typically occupies a small amount of memory, usually 1 byte, and is essential for handling individual characters in text processing. Chars are used in various applications such as reading input from a user, parsing text, and working with strings at a granular level. They can be combined to form strings, or used independently in operations like comparing or converting character values. Understanding chars is fundamental for managing textual data and performing low-level text manipulations in programming. As we wrap up our exploration of different data types in programming, it's clear that with just a few fundamental data types, we can represent virtually anything. Complex algorithms and data structures are built using these essential building blocks to meet our specific needs and expectations. Mastering data types is crucial for programming, and the best way to do so is through regular practice. If you want to further expand your knowledge, be sure to check out our video on programming basics. The link will be in the video description. This concludes our video. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video. Feel free to also check out our other videos on related topics. Thank you for watching.